Dr. J's Pinball Restoration. This is a teaser video just to showcase how this game plays. This taxi we just did a bunch of work on, about 17 hours worth of work. Kind of a mini refurb. Did the blackout of the displays there, and taxi cab. Some new LEDs, EVO lighting, some brighter blue lights there. Did a bunch of switch work on it. Did a bunch of flipper rebuild on it, and a host of other stuff. It's a laundry list, but we'll get to that part later. Let's just see how this plays, especially how these pup bumpers play. They play really nice now, and the ramps work really well too. I had to adjust this metal ramp over here. I had to actually file that down. That was in the way. So let's play some taxi.
Taxi.
I adjusted that too, so that goes up there better with a stronger punch. Gorby wasn't working, now he's working. And that kickout wasn't working, now he's working. Oh, look you go. That wasn't fair at all. Yo, taxi. How's that pop-up reaction? Whoa. Those are strong flippers. 10 bucks stranded. I can only get that ramp thing down here. Let's see. I really want to get a handle on one of those ramps there. Would be kind of cool, especially the lock ramp. Try to get up there. Nope. Try again. Nope. Nope. That's not it. Give to me ride. Give to me ramp. There we go. There it is. Alright, so I can hit the expressway. Oh, almost made it. Taxi, taxi, taxi. goes. Your taxi. There. To the airport. Go to the airport. Let's go. Oh, new taxi. Oh, we'll fall back. Oh, balls here. Okay. Hey, there we go. That's what I want to do. Up that one. That one. That one. Nope. Give it to me ride. Give it to me ride. Chemicals. Last ball, ball 5. Come on, show me the ball. Here we go. You give to me ball. Gerby. Oh, okay, well, there you go. That's a little quickie. Dr. Dave's Pinball Restorations, little taxi quickie going on there. Let's rematch. Oh, rematch. All right, we'll take that. We'll take that match. Sweet. All right, well, that was taxi. We'll do more taxi later. In time for Christmas.